how to repair League of Legends client. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to repair League of Legends client. So there are multiple ways to repair League of Legends client. So first of all, you can uh, update the drivers and fix the crashing game, and you can update your video card drivers if it is NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, or any other. And after that, you have to update Windows. Check for if your Windows is needing a update. And after that, you have to install the .NET framework and click on full repair and lower your in-game settings. And after that, you have a option like fixing a black screen. You can just open your video card's control panel. The most likely cause of the black screen is bad and anti-aliasing settings for your video card, and you can just turn it off, and you can use application default settings, and after that fix an anti-aliasing for AMD or HDI card. You can uh, fix it by repairing the launcher. You just have to open Windows Explorer, then you have to click on project, and you have to just delete the project, the LOL launcher folder, and that's League of Legends launcher folder. And after that, start the launcher as you normally would. The launcher will re-download the necessary files and allow it to start the game. So that's it. That's how you can repair League of Legends clients. I have shown you 3 ways, so make sure to explore them all. I'm not sure which one will work for you, so just try it out. And that's it for this video. See you on the next one.